In this chapter, we're going to learn about webpack. So first, let's see what is webpack. Webpack is a module bundler for modern web JavaScript applications. And webpack processes the application and maps all the dependencies and modules and generates one or more bundles. You define the bundles. So this is a graph that is used about webpack. You can see on the left, we have different formats and files, and you can see these relations. Webpack is going to map everything and is going to serve the bundle with the correct dependencies on the right. So next, let's see 4 concepts that are really important when you are working with webpack. The first one is the entry. The second one is the output. We're going to see what is loaders and also plugins. So first, let's see what is an entry. An entry point indicates which module webpack is going to use. Normally it's a JavaScript file. Webpack will figure out which other modules and libraries that entry points depends on directly or indirectly. And by default, the entry point is in the src folder. And by default also is the index.js file. In Webpack 4, for example, a configuration file isn't required, but you can create a configuration file for full control and more complex stuff. We're going to see how we can create the bundles with and without the configuration file. Also, we have the output. Output is going to tell Webpack where to save and store the bundles. Also the name that is going to be used, and by default they will be exported into the dist folder. Also basically the entry point should be in the src folder and the output should point into the dist folder. Then we have the loaders. Webpack only understands JavaScript files. And with loaders, you can import different formats such as Sass, LESS, images, HTML, and more. This is going to extend the functionality and the power of Webpack. And in loaders, you will have 2 different keywords. They are really important. One is called test. This one tells Webpack which files are going to be used. And also we have use. This tells Webpack which loaders is going to be used with these files. We also have the plugins. Loaders are used to transform certain types of modules, but you see in plugins, we can perform a wide range of tasks, such as bundle optimization, asset management, and others. And you can install a plugin via npm or yarn, and you're going to import the plugin using the keyword required. Finally, in order to work with Webpack, we need to install Node.js and npm. I'm going to show you how to install this in the next video. And Webpack only supports modern browsers, and versions below Internet Explorer 8 aren't supported, but you can use a polyfill. So in the rest of the chapter, we're going to develop a Webpack project. So let's continue in the next video.